Okay, now Susan had how to add a frame to a full page. Okay, that should be fairly easy. I'll just go back to my recent image. I'm going to resize it just so it's going to be a little faster. I'm going to resize it to 1000. Okay, so if you want to add a frame, I guess it depends if you are talking about a frame that comes as a PNG, in which case, well, you'll have to adjust your image to fit inside the frame without distorting it. But if you are to talk about a picture frame that comes with PaintShop, it's under here, picture frame. And you have some options here to have the frame outside the image or inside the image. So I'm just going to use one of the few. I'm going to use this one. I did not upload much, or I did not direct my file preferences very much. So if I go inside the image, you can see how it's going to eat a little bit on the edges. If I go and frame outside the image, the whole image is going to be visible and the frame is going to be added. So I resized at 1000. Now you can see how my image now is not the same size anymore. Let's see, 1500 by almost 1400. So that's why it added that area on the outside of what I had. Interestingly, it adds it as its own layer. So if you don't like it, you can hide it and you still have your full image. Susan is asking if you can choose the matte color. In this case, no, because this is a preset frame. But, you know, maybe that could be a script to come, where you can have simple frames and mattes. If I wanted, like, this is just one of the few frames. I did not even download the creative content in here. So you might have different frames. Some look better, and you might have exported your own too. And I think here it would be easy to recolor, because if I use my magic wand, let's see, that case I would use the magic wand and I would select the white area. Interesting, there are some little tiny specks here. I can change that and flood fill that. With a different color. If I want. That works fine if you have a matte that is really solid color. So it's easy then to use your magic wand and select that area. Okay. Hey there. I hope you found this information helpful. If you're curious to dive deeper and explore more about PaintShop Pro, we've got a wealth of resources waiting for you in our membership area. There, you'll find in-depth classes, workshops, Q&A sessions, and much more to help you enhance your PaintShop Pro and digital scrapbooking skills. Feel free to check it out. The link is in the video description below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the campus!